Hey everyone, this video I'm going to speak about whether you need a degree to get a job in web development. And to put it straight, the answer is no, you don't need a degree to get a job in web development. I've met so many developers with degrees and without degrees. And when it comes to actual coding, they are quite competent. Both of them are quite competent. It doesn't matter what their background is. And if they have worked in some sort of complicated system, they have spent some time, a couple of years, and they are good with what they do, they don't need any degrees. The degree really is kind of a stepping stone. It kind of helps you sometimes, but generally you don't need a degree. And people who do have a degree and they found a job through help or degree, they'll tell you yes you do. And obviously that's very subjective. That doesn't really mean you have to go college, whatever, spend a couple of years just get a degree and not practice anything at all. If you're studying a degree, then good. That's good for you, and that's not a bad thing if you have money, you have the motivation, you go to college every day, study degree in whatever you like, well, that's a good thing. But that doesn't really mean you can't get anywhere if you don't have a degree, right? I mean, if you go to any job site, you can go to Indeed right now, right now, front end developer, back end developer, or anything. Um, there is not going to be a lot of jobs that need degree, because the thing is, employers want to pay less money, and as soon as you put degree in the job description, you're going to have to pay a bit more. You're gonna have to pump that salary. That's one reason. But obviously, when you don't put degree, you're reaching out to more talent. That's another reason. But you can go to Indeed and look at whatever you like. Maybe you'll find jobs with degree. Maybe you won't. I've done that, and I've been able to find some jobs with degree. And the 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 fundamental thing there is that whether you have those computer science basics, do you understand the algorithm? Can you write a bit cleaner code? Do you understand the basic data structure? Can you do simple things like binary search or whatever algorithms are there? But as far as a junior developer or mid-level developer, even a senior developer, you really don't need a degree. You can progress in a company from trainee to junior to wherever you like without a degree. And obviously, if degree is a requirement for a job that you would like to have, then fine, be it. Then you need a degree, right? Get go to college, study whatever you like, or study the syllabus yourself. You can go to any university site right now, and they will openly tell you what they're going to teach you, right? They're going to teach you machine learning. Well, then pick the syllabus, buy the books, and teach it yourself. You know, make sure you practice enough, and when you go to the interview, you make sure you can answer the questions, the computer science questions. If you can do that, then fine, and then you're good. But again, rephrasing what I already said, you don't need a degree to get a job in web development. There is obviously two sets of jobs, some that do need, and obviously if you don't have a degree, you can't go in. That's just more like an HR requirement than a technical requirement. But that's the answer. You don't need a degree. And if you're learning something like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then keep learning, keep building projects, and just make sure each project you work on is a little bit harder than the previous project. Not something that's easy and then you just keep working on easy stuff your whole life. You're not gonna get nowhere. You need to present something complicated to the employer when you're having an interview. So yeah, that's it. You don't need a degree. Um, just work on your portfolio. Make sure it's presentable. Make sure it's complicated enough for that particular position. And yeah, you're good.